How to restore iPhone 15 from backup. Any of the below methods has proven to work just as you would expect. Part 1. How to restore iPhone 15 from backup in iCloud. Go to Settings, click on General, scroll to the very bottom and click on Reset. Click on Erase All Content and Settings, confirm and click on Erase Now. When prompted, enter your passcode and then click on Erase iPhone. Enter Apple ID password and then click on Erase. When your device restarts, use your Apple ID to sign into iCloud. In the Apps and Data section, click on Restore from iCloud Backup. From the apparent list, choose a backup file and then follow the instructions for the restoration process. Part 2. How to restore iPhone to last backup in iTunes. Connect device, open iTunes, click iPhone icon, select Backups, choose desired backup, click Restore, wait. After restart, keep connected for sync. Part 3. How to restore iPhone from last backup on Mac via Finder. Connect your device to Mac and open Finder app. In Finder, choose the device that is noted in the list to the left. Click on Restore. Select the backup data that you want and then click on Restore. Part 4. How to restore iPhone from computer backup without resetting. Steps to backup iPhone using Assistant for iOS. Install and run the Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer, and using a USB cable, connect your device to it. Click on Super Toolkit, which you can find at the top menu. You will note iTunes Back and Restore. Click on it. From the top menu, click on Backup. You will see every manageable iOS device. Select your device and then click on Backup File S to default iTunes backup location. Click on OK for the backing process to take place. Steps to restore iPhone using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Launch Mobikin Assistant. Connect device. Click Super Toolkit. iTunes Backup and Restore. Select Backup. Click OK to restore.